Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how we can easily add tasks in Asana. So let's start. First, when you click on marketing strategy or whatever project you got, you will find it here, add task. But before that, I want to talk to you about that you can also add milestone and add section. When you add a section that's like bigger than task, so let's just write here, YouTube. And now I'm going to add task here and I'm going to YouTube video. So, and when I have it, and when I edit the task, you have few options how you can assign and everything. You could just gonna click on it, and then you can just assign it to someone, change the due date to, I don't know, whatever, 28th of February. Priority, you can change it to high, medium, or low. And then you can also add subtask to it. And let's just add YouTube situation, whatever. So, right now you can see we got it, and when it's finished you can just easily mark it as complete and it's deleted. It's quite simple. So this is how we can add tasks in Asana. Thank you very much everybody for watching. You can also see it in calendar, by the way, and have a great day. Goodbye.